Let's go.
今天也对瑞幸椰云拿铁下手，咱就说这个看来我就需要
Coconut
准备
milk,
好材料，
Some
来家做
milk,
拿
something else in Chinese,
some coconut milk.
快不人手，
and some 150 grams,
喝到大的椰汁，
something Chinese on top.
Milk
再来个瑞幸铜板咖啡，
Condensed coffee.
加水里咯楞咯楞，
We can get it here.
Coconut.
再
Yeah.
来打个绵密的灵魂奶盖，淋上去对
Mix it.
自
Coconut
己在家
foam
就可以做。
Oh,
on the top.
I don't know if I can do that.
Let's do it. What is step one?
I forgot. Ice cubes, I
Ice
guess.
cube? Yeah.
Guys, those aren't real ice cubes. They're round cubes. Get them out. Oh.
Yeah. Put it on the desk. I'll pick it up. Oh, it
So
looks so gross.
disgusting.
Looks so gross. Oh,
Come on.
can you do this?
Two hours later.
It's okay.
How much? More?
Start 3, second 3.
2/3.
I'm on purpose. Add coffee.
Well, I it's too far away from me.
Stand up.
Oops.
Oh, it doesn't look chaotic.
Oh, we're so good. See, in the end, it looks very good. We fucked it up so hard, but it looks good.
That's life, huh? So sometimes it just didn't work. It looks okay.
That's good. A little bit longer.
Like tell a joke or say something. 2,000 years later.
2,000 years later.
Add it on.
And now, let's go! Ooh. We have like Strohhalm.
Are you ready to try?
Let's go. Cheers.
Prost, Dada!
It's okay.
Fresh, right?
Really refreshing. Nice in summer. I like it.
Coconut milk.
The further you get down, the better it gets.
More creamy.
Same with kebab. You eat it for the last piece of kebab of döner. When there's like, you only got meat and a lot of fat is the best part of döner. Now it's very good.
Oh, I'm just a big fan of coconut milk.
When there's like,
我美美啊，我好食啊。
so fucking good. So fucking good. Wait.